Iran has blocked the world from using the Strait of Hormuz. US's blockade doesn't block the world, it just blocks Iran. So what was happening is that if Iran wanted to export its oil to China, and 90% of Iran's oil does go to China, it could send its ships to the Strait of Hormuz. What the US is doing is stopping those ships. So for example, if Pakistan wants to import LNG from Qatar, the ship that will come through the Strait of Hormuz will not be stopped by the US, it will be stopped by Iran. But if Iran wants to export oil to China, it will be stopped by the US. Why is US doing it? Because for two reasons. A, Iran is earning money. Oil prices are high. It's continuing to export. In fact, US itself has removed sanctions from Iran's oil. So obviously, Iran is getting a source of revenue. It's getting increase in oil revenue. So that's one way of stopping. And more importantly, Iran is using China to pressurize Iran to stop the war, because this oil is going to China. Now China has around 2-3 months of oil reserve, but if this continues to disrupt, then it puts pressure on China to put pressure on Iran to stop the war. So through the blockade, US is actually pressurizing China more than it is pressurizing Iran.